In this tutorial, learn how to use the AI Video Creator to quickly generate high-quality video ads in minutes, all directly within Ads Manager. The tool supports mobile, desktop, CTV, and OTT devices. The workflow is simple. Let's walk through it together. To start, navigate to the Ad Creative section of your ad group and click Build Video Creative. Import your brand by adding your website URL. The AI automatically scrapes the colors, images, and text from the website. You can manually adjust or upload additional elements if needed. Note that brands are saved at the tenant level, so you only have to import your brand once. Step 2. Set the video direction. First, select an AI-generated topic or write your own. Next, define the vibe. Choose from professional, fun, laid-back, or inspiring. Then choose your language and preferred duration. Select Apply if any changes were made. Then hit Generate Video once all the settings are selected. Step 3. Preview and refine. Review the draft the AI gives you. If it's not quite right, click Generate again and opt into locking in any elements you like or generate a completely new video. The editor has two main sections, the preview screen and the global panels. You can click directly into the preview screen to edit text, images, or the voiceover script. On the left, the global panels let you control the timeline, styling options, music, colors, and fonts for the entire video. Step 4. Finalize and save. Once your edits are complete, click Finish. Add your final website URL. Your video will automatically be named with the AI video tag, but you can change that as you wish. Once complete, click Save. Rendering takes about 5 to 10 minutes, but you can keep setting up your ad group while you wait. Your video will be ready to preview shortly. Once the video has completed rendering, it'll look like this. At this point, you can easily make edits to the creative name or click through URL by clicking on the pencil icon, just like you would any other creative. But with this tool, you can even jump back into the editor to adjust the video itself by clicking on the icon that looks like a movie reel with a pencil. Interested in learning more? Check help.groundtruth.com.